This video will be example problems for nucleophilic aromatic substitution and other relevant reactions for aromatic reactions, not excluding electrophilic aromatic substitution. Yeah, what a mouthful. But let's get down to business. If I were to say that we have propyl-benzene and we want to convert it to benzoic acid, what chemicals do we need? Okay, well, if we look back in our notes, we'll remember that to oxidize a secondary carbon is possible using potassium permanganate. So the conditions that we require is potassium permanganate along with sodium hydroxide and some heat, and we would need acidic conditions to protonate the acid. All right, this is the next one for you guys. Feel free to pause it so you can have time to answer your own question or answer the question before I ruin it with an answer. So if we have a nitro group, how do we get a nitrile group? What? Impossible. I recommend pausing it now and then checking out the answer that I will show you. Okay, so how would we approach this? Well, we know that we can't convert the nitro group into the nitrile immediately, but we can convert it into the amino group. So if we take a nitro and, for example, we reduce it with iron and hydrochloric acid, we can make aniline, which we can then convert into the nitrile by first reacting with NaNO₂ or sodium nitrate, NaNO₂, under acidic conditions, followed by copper cyanide, CuCN, will give us our lovely cyanide product. Cool. Okay, next question. Or let's go to the next page. What if we wanted to make this product from benzene? All right, remember this is a retrosynthetic arrow. So we are saying that we are making, how are we making the thing on the left from the thing on the right? Okay, well, a couple of things. First off, we need to notice the relationship between the propyl group and the iodide. We notice that this is meta, so therefore neither of these groups is meta directing, so one of them must have been something else. A good place to start would be to acylate it. So if we were to use this along with aluminum chloride, so propanoyl chloride with aluminum chloride would give us this species. We could then nitrate it, because think about it, we can't iodide. A benzene ring will not react with iodine. This is something that we've seen in our notes. It does react with chlorine and bromine, but it does not react with iodine. So the only way we have seen to add an iodide group is through nucleophilic aromatic substitution. So we need to nitrate this. HNO₃, H₂SO₄. And we will get meta substitution, which we can then convert with iron and HCl to give us the amino group of the amine, which now we can convert into the iodide, NaNO₂ and H3O plus, followed by Ki, because we want an iodide there. Okay, which we can now get rid of the carbonyl using the Wolff-Kishner reaction. KOH and heat to give us our desired product.